Let's combine the like terms 2x plus 3x. We take the coefficients 2 and 3 and add them up. 2 plus 3 will get 5x. Let's look at another example. Here we have 5x plus 3x plus 7. I want to go ahead and identify the terms that are like terms. I see an x and another x, so we can go ahead and add those up. 5 plus 3, I'll get 8x, and the 7 doesn't have any like terms, so we just leave that alone. And our simplified version will be 8x plus 7. Let's look at another example. Here we have many like terms, so I'm going to underline and organize myself. I see the first one here is x squared, so we want to find other x squared, and we go down the list, and I see one right here, and I don't see any more, so we stop there. And we're going to add those two up, 2x squared, and this one doesn't have a coefficient in front, so I'm going to add that in to help me add them up. We get 2 and 1x squared, and I add those two up. 2 plus 1, I get 3x squared. And we can continue down the list. Here I see an x as our term, and here I see another x as our term. So we can add those two up. 2x and 4x. 2 plus 4, I get 6x. And lastly, I'm just left with numbers 7 and 3, and then you can go ahead and add those up. 7 plus 3, I get 10. Let's look at one more example here. Again, organizing ourselves and by using the underlining there and figuring out which terms we have. We have x squared. I'm going to look for other x squares, and I see one here. And I can go ahead and add those two up. 5 plus 3, I get 8x squared. And we can continue down the list. I see we have an x term and another x term, so those are going to be alike terms that we're going to add up. Negative 2x squared and 4x. So we got to go ahead and add those up. 4 minus 2, I'll get 2x. And lastly, we're just left with a number all by itself without an x, and it doesn't have any like terms, so we just bring that down. We get negative 9.